We have to protect, take care of our environment because there's only one world, you know, to live, and this is not only for ourselves but for the future generations that follow us.
And we have only one life to live.
Okay, so mamaya ipapakita natin kung paano itong mga bata ay sasakay sa tubes.
It's some candy. More candy? Nakatulog na.
And this is Kayla. Can you introduce your relative, Kayla? Say hi, Kayla. Okay, did you enjoy? How many times did you ride? 3 times now. And did you fall on the lake? No. So did you ride on the tube? Not yet? Okay, so when is your turn to ride, Cyril? So what are you doing? You are trying to cross a stone? What does it mean? Are you going to make a fire or something?
All of these pieces used to be one stone.
Oh, so the history of that stones, they're made from one big piece of stone? And
I crushed them.
so they crushed?
No, I crushed them.
Oh, you crushed them. And what are you planning to do with the stone?
Make a weapon.
Or make it open? Are you going to make a weapon? So during the olden times, people make use of stones for their weapons?
I saw there was
And you're talking about what age in our world history?
early people from Neanderthal, Homo habilis, and Homo erectus, Homo sapien, Homo Neanderthal.
So those are the elderly people that started life using only stones as their source of fire, and
Wood and stone.
also they make use of the stone as weapons.
Yeah, the first person. Cat.
Cat.
Hey, can you come here, please?
So how do
The
they?
first person was this this tall.
Also the size of
Full grown.
the full-grown person before was really small,
This size.
and they belong to what race? The Neanderthal.
Yeah, there wasn't really like in Africa.
Oh, so that was how many years before Christ?
What?
Oh, so many millions of years before Christ.
In the times of Adam and Eve.
So that is the way they they produce weapons
Like,
out of stones.
They had like bigger rocks and then they formed it and they polished it and then they were like digging.
And other than stone, what are the primitive people make use of?
Obsidian. It's like a volcanic result of lava. Obsidian. Wood.
Okay. And do you have a replica of the first inhabitants of the world? So
In my social studies class, our teacher has a replica of the skeleton of Lucy, one of the first people.
okay, so and you mentioned earlier that the first inhabitants were as big as your sister, or even smaller than her.
Former slave now.
What happened? Why? Why were they so small?
Some people believe that it was Darwinism.
Huh?
Darwinism.
Oh, Darwinism. So we evolved from the lower forms of animals. So are you talking now that of these first inhabitants as if they are like lower forms of animals?
They're like the evolution of monkeys.
Oh, so they evolved from the monkeys. And do you believe in such theory of Darwin? Is your school believe that we started from lower forms of animals?
The Catholics, even the Pope right now, the Pope does not have a problem with Darwinism. As long as you believe that God created monkey and God wanted to create human, and so he decided to create humans from monkey.
Okay, so it doesn't matter whether we started from monkey as long as we were created by God. So it's not anymore the issue of where we started, but the issue here is who created us all, right?
As long as God did it.
Okay, as long as God did it, then we should recognize that we all come from God. Whether you're a lower form of animal or you are human beings, everyone, everybody in this world was created by God. And what about the seas before? Are the seas before like this? The oceans, the lakes?
A lot cleaner.
Oh, they were a lot cleaner before because men were taking care of it, right? How do you come up with a lake like this? The very big lake like this? Huh? How does a lake become a lake? Huh?
God.
Huh?
God.
It's God. But I guess there's kind of a creation. Huh? When did God created the earth, the lakes? Remember the Genesis first? God created. Which one was the first thing that God created?
The light.
Huh?
Light.
The light. And from the light, He created which one?
Darkness too.
Darkness. And what else?
The earth.
Hey, you're gonna
Uh-huh. Okay, you're going to tube right now. It's your turn. So where's that speedboat?
I think we're going next.
Oh. Sonia, face the camera.
Hi, Tito.
And this is Sonia. And what is going on here?
Oh! Hi, Tito. The boat.
Sai, you gonna ride?
Yeah, I guess.
Yung glasses ko na.
No, there's I'll put it there. There's like
So make sure you have your own life jacket.
Where's your life jacket?
there's some
Hey, you gonna
Yung
ride
baro?
that?
Or you wanna take off the shirt?
No. Patrick's gonna ride that one.
And that is my niece, another niece, Frania,
Just put it on. You sure?
and the husband.
Ito, baka makuha mo yung backside ko.
Ano?
Hey, tell them to let go.
So you have to have a life jacket, Sai.
You guys are up. You gotta go. You guys are next. You guys are okay, but you know, you gotta go. Okay?
And then?
Guys,
okay. We're about to go.
And
If you want to, you have to right? That's like
do you have a special size for a life vest or?
I don't know.
But as long as it fits, huh?
Yeah, as long as it's.
And they're made of what?
Where's Jimmy?
I don't really know.
Patrick!
Okay, so you really have to buckle up.
One better?
Okay. So you're ready to go, huh?
Thanks.
And Kathleen too. Okay.
You get well?
So you're already in the boat. So what do you do when you're in the boat? Huh? Do you have to fasten your seat belts in the boat? You don't have to. And this is the driver's seat, right? Huh? And how about you, Kathleen? How do you feel now? Are you excited? Huh?
Look at the camera.
Are you excited? Do you know how to swim? But it's okay, huh? It's okay for you to be riding on the tube? Okay, so we'll see you later.